Okie dokie. I guess I decided on the title of Sausage Rolls for this episode of Dave's Cooking Show, but this is just something really easy to do. What you want to do is grill some Italian sausage links, and then you want to make this quick little pizza dipping sauce for them, which involves 28 ounces of crushed San Marzano tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic that are minced, 2 tablespoons of sliced basil, or 1 tablespoon of dried basil, about a half a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt, along with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then you basically just want to put this in the blender, and you want to blend it for about a minute, 30 seconds, or until everything becomes incorporated. Like I said, this is just something just to try, because, again, I really wasn't even trying with this one. Or something to do with, like, a leftover pizza dough or something. So just place the cap on. And blend away. If you're wondering, the blender is a Ninja blender. I think they work pretty good. All right, next step. Okay, as you can see here, I got a store-bought pizza roll that I rolled out. You can use whatever your favorite pizza dough is, or make it yourself. This time I just decided to be a little lazy. And basically you're just going to want to kind of stretch it, massage it, and seal the sausage inside the dough roll, and then place it on a baking sheet. By the way, you should have the oven preheating now to about 350 degrees. And you're kind of looking for what's right up there. And basically just do this with however many Italian sausages you happen to have. Okay, as you can see, these are ready to go into the oven. I baked them at 350 for about 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on them, and when they start turning golden brown, you're done. All right, let's see the final assembly. Okay, and after about 15 minutes, you should be looking at something that resembles this. Then just get yourself a small bowl and pour some of that pizza sauce we made in for a dipping sauce. And that's it. Sausage roll. Done.